Thank you for rejoining us. I'm Neil Garrett, Business Unit Manager, Licensed Brands at Division 9 and Shnier. Through Division 9, our commercial business unit, we offer a broad range of specialty brands and products to the architectural, interior design, and institutional facilities management communities. Today, we're proud to announce the national launch of Teknoflor brand across Canada. This strategic expansion marks a significant milestone in Division 9 and Shnier's commitment to deliver high-performance, sustainable flooring products to the Canadian market. Teknoflor, known for its cutting-edge resilient flooring solutions, brings a legacy of quality, durability, and environmental responsibility. With this new partnership, Division 9 and Shnier will now offer Teknoflor's full range of commercial flooring products, including its industry-leading PVC-free sheet, plank, and tile options to customers coast to coast. For more information, contact your Division 9 or Shnier representative today. Thank you for joining us on our 30 Days of Shnier campaign. People, Products, and Purpose.